This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Maytag dryer that makes a rumbling sound even when you open the door and the tumbler has stopped turning. You hear just a little bit of a rumble that lasts for about a second and a half. This is due to a worn out blower wheel, and it's very easy to replace, and they only cost about $10. This is how you get to it. You remove these two Phillips head screws to take off this inspection panel, and then you have to remove the dryer front panel. After you get that off, there's a few screws you have to remove, and then you can put on this new blower wheel. They're only about $10 from Amazon. But the middle of the blower wheel that goes on the motor shaft is the part that wears out. So easy to do, and it gets rid of that rumbling noise. It's underneath this panel. That's the one you got to remove. And also then your dryer can push the air around so your clothes would dry a lot faster. So it not only is kind of a bad rumbling sound, but also the dryer won't work really well. So we'll show in a different video the exact procedure, but if your dryer isn't drying well and you get a rumbling sound even when you stop the dryer that lasts for about a second, that's due to a faulty blower wheel. And again, it's pretty easy to replace and it's really inexpensive. So we're just putting the inspection panel back on, and hopefully this will help you with your diagnosis. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.